If you are looking for the best pour-over coffee kettle, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Coffee Gator Pour-Over Coffee Kettle. This kettle is a nice marriage of form and function. The surgical stainless steel looks amazing on the stove or counter, which is great if you plan to keep the kettle out of the cabinets. A pleasant S shape forms the curve of the sport, and the wavy handle provides plenty of surface for gripping. With its stacked ridges, the pot itself looks nice too. If you're worried about knowing when your water is at the perfect temperature for pouring, this kettle features a built-in thermometer in the lid. Number 2. Fellow Stagg Pour Over Kettle. That's the best way to describe Fellow's take on the kettle. At first impression, it seems more about angles than curves. The thin spout tapers to a fluted point that provides excellent flow. On the other side, you'll find a stocky-looking handle that is weighted to counterbalance the long spout. And on top, a brewing thermometer shows you when you've hit the 195 to 205 range. While the handle looks clunky at first, you'll soon find that its angles make it easy to pour from various angles. Number Number 3. Bonavita Variable Temperature Electric Kettle. For a full-featured experience, the Bonavita delivers precise control from the water heating to the water flow and even provides help for timing the pour. With a 60-minute heat and hold setting, you can have water at the perfect temperature immediately. That way, you don't have to wait when you're ready for your second cup. And the Bonavita is adjustable in 1-degree increments, so you can dial in exactly the temperature you want, even if it's not for a manual brew. Once you're ready to brew, the base has a timer to keep your process on track. Number 4. OXO BREW Electric Pour-Over Kettle. OXO is known for making people-friendly products for use across the home, and the best thing about the OXO adjustable pour-over kettle though is what happens right after this when you return the kettle to its stand. Rather than to go to sleep or simply tell you how fast your water is cooling, the OXO automatically heats the water back to the temperature you previously selected. This works almost instantaneously, which means you don't need to worry about whether your water will be the same temperature during your second pour as it was in your first. Number 5. Kalitas Stylish Stainless Pot. With its high polish and fluted spout, you might mistake this kettle for a more traditional silver kettle. The Kalitas thin spout is compact at less than a liter. And with the spout staying close to the body, it takes up even less counter space. Since it's on the smaller side, it is best for single-cup brewers, and it makes a great transfer pot if you have a larger kettle for heating water. The pour itself is consistent once you get used to it, though, so it does the job. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.